I don't bring una update. this one na bomb. It dey scatter everywhere. Una remember 13-year-old boy wey go sleep with him sugar grandmother? Hey, una no go believe the unbelievable wey just happen. My people, I don't find out the whole gist. Una no say that time I tell una say make una dey online because I go bring una update. My people, the thing don't happen now. Say the boy himself. Oh, make us sit down way. Now that boy himself call this woman. He not just call am. He ask her, may he bring what did they call that thing? Sleeping tablet. Because the boy gets siblings for house, you understand? And if the siblings they are awake, alpha show no go down. So he asked the woman, say, okay, I should come bring sleeping tablet because my siblings are around and they are awake. Ngwanu, the girl can't agree. The girl can't come with the sleeping tablet. The boy himself now even go pay for the taxi we bring this woman. After I pay for the taxi, now there he realize, according to Ramo, he say he realize say, if he won't change his mind, you say this thing, you don't want to do him again. And by that time, it's already late because the woman don't. If not you before uncle, see we must finish waiting, we don't start. So the woman can't say no, say we must finish this thing. The boy even want force the door, say make she no enter. Now so the woman, you know see the woman as she get weight and they occupy space, she just push her. Now so this woman enter the house, boom. To my surprise, this girl now will show for now we don't know what it mean prostitute. Hey. And the initial agreement before be say after they go down, you understand? Say the boy go give her $20. Later now when they finish the servicing and the service, now so the lady can't change her mind. Can't tell the boy say no, say I know they take $20 again. No, say as they see me like this, I pass that level, so now you go give me $120. Bam! Hey! Una don't see trouble before. Now yet trouble even starts. The boy no get the money. Nobody there where the boy if even ask for the money, and they don't already do the do. So waiting will come happen, my people. Now so this boy start they run helter skelter. They knock from all the neighbors' house. Say abeg borrow me. Where you dey work when you want borrow $120? Hey. Finally, the neighbor when go meet that way be like say he can't get cash, but he need find out inside this matter. And so the neighbor comes and say, this your age, wait till they find this kind of amount of money for. To hold and behold, and so this boy just narrates everything. Now that neighbor can't carry phone, call this boy grandmama. Where this woman they run, almost kill himself because of this thing. As she reach house, and so she meet them. My people, no, because I tell you before say when this matter first come, I tell you say no just side anybody. We need balance this thing well. Because children of this generation, una no know them. They carry. So 13-year-old boy now, they carry Olosho. 13. Let me say by the time you reach 20, you go get like 6 wives. And then how many children? For this year. My people, this will not be rape case now. No. Before we been noticing a rape case, we they talk with them. I bet this will not be rape case. See, they even agree. Price even enter inside. I beg you, see. I know they say any rape thing here. They enjoy themselves. The boy, they conscious, like he know. Now he even call them. Wetin na they talk? No, which man town I want bring now? Where I want change wetin I just they think. Wonder will never end. No, that now they believe that statement. Wonder no go ever end for this life. Now many of una they laugh. Oh, many people just they laugh. If na man now do this thing to one small girl, our feminists they go come outside. They feel even kill this man self only with their English. Feminists they sabi speak English. I dey wonder which school they go. No, check them. Every feminist where you see, they get if they start to talk about human rights, about this one, 13-year-old, 13, even no drugs. I beg, hey, where this one they go, sir? Sorry, alone, hey, you know drug, you know how to make person sleep to achieve evil thing. I beg, lock 2 of them up. Me, I don't even want anything. These 2 people, lock them up. Anything wey make this boy mature to know drug, e suppose make am mature to enter prison. I no wan know, because this thing now, we no fit just blame this lady. Now why I dey talk this thing say, imagine if this lady now get better lawyer, she go win this case. Better lawyer, or those ones wey go school, she go win this case finish, because she go even get evidence. They chat, the boy, they chat, everything dey. She get evidence. Number one, the boy himself na he call her, him neighbor even dey aware, say he go ask am for $120. See, many things. She fit just win this case once. Abeg governor, abeg government of Zimbabwe, all of una all in one, make una start dey do something concerning this case. And not be just this boy, because I dey sure say many people still dey go through this kind thing. All these young children, abeg check well, because cases like this dey plenty. Make una start dey do something about am. Abeg, I dey believe in una government. Oh, I dey believe. See, oh, wetin I talk? Zimbabwe government, I believe in una government. So make una no form my hand, because una better pass some people. I no go mention name. You understand? Una go dey see small children in wetin dey call those things, adult sites, dating sites. I no even know the names. All those places where people dey chat, do they get relationship? Una go dey see them inside that place. 19 years, 15 years. Wetin una dey find? Now so one day I go say I dey go print work. If una see how cyber cafe full with underage, everybody dey in front of computer. Wetin una dey? Na so my friend come tell me say, say now, now white people dey chat. Na relationship, na money. I come dey see that, say God, which kind of word we just like? Everything just rotten. Everything just rotten. No, you no even fit see one thing wey fresh. Your mates, make I tell you where your mates dey. They dey school. They even dey compete. Say we go carry first position, second position. Some of them even dey travel. Say they go for mathematics competition. You now to dey carry your mama age mates. Now the only one wey you know. You even know drugs on top. I don't tell una this thing before. Make una shine una eye on top this boy, because the level where this guy go bring next, the next matter where we go bring here for this boy head, una go dey shock. So make una abeg shine una eye. The grandmother or the mother or police or government, all of una for Zimbabwe, start dey look deep inside this matter. And as I talk am before, not be just this boy. Start dey search. Go cyber cafes, go all those places where you know say they operate. Say no to all these things, because they spoil this society. Seriously. Now this woman don't enter trouble because of this one foolishness. In fact, all of una self just foolish. My people, e shock una. I know say e go shock una. So now the matter be this. So start to drop the comments there. Whether you think say wetin the boy do dey right, abi make they still arrest the woman, abi make they arrest two of them. Anyone wey you think, drop am for that comment section, and I go reply on one by one. Share this video, very very important. Zimbabwe people, they need know say person like me don't they talk their matter. And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss everything where we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.